You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is a equals -6. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all a terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 13a from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the a into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is a equals -6.